Okay, we're at Heavenly Riches with the Luck Box himself and our viewer friend here, Sarah. We're gonna play.
Good luck.
We put $40 each into this, and Sarah's gonna play for us.
Yeah, what do we need? One more of those guys? Hey, we won something. Huh?
Yeah, how do you play this game? You're the one that picked the goofball. Have you played it?
I'm looking for the 363.
Okay, that's max credits. You get 363 if you get 6 of those balls or whatever bases.
How much do you have to bet?
You have to bet max credit. 550.
Oh, go
Watch
ahead.
it. Really? You want to bet 550?
Yeah, why not?
Who is this? I know that's a mask. That's not Clark.
Are you serious?
It's up to you. Whatever you bet, whatever you want, honey. Sarah came to join us from San Diego area.
Yeah, I'm very good.
Right? It's her first time here. Hopefully she's having a good time.
I am. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
There we go. Now win us some money.
I'm trying.
We need 2 more of those.
What are those things anyway?
Bases, right?
Are they wild or?
So we gotta get 3 of these Asian guys for free games. That's what it looks like. 3 of those guys, and the yin yang is wild.
Well, you gotta get 4, you gotta get 5 of the gold things. We want 6 actually. Well, why can't those be free games?
Those are wilds.
We need 2 of those envelopes.
2 more. Yeah, we got 4. That pays $27.50.
Oh wow.
We needed 1 more, didn't we?
Well, we need 6 to win the good ones.
We're going for 6. Let's just go for 9.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, we definitely want more than 2.
Hey, that's $25 right there.
It is?
Yeah. You never played this game, have you?
No.
Do it, do it, do it. Oh.
Yes, that's something too, right?
Yeah, 105.
Oh, that's what that is? 105?
Yeah, what's the 105 up there?
Oh, one more.
Come on,
Face.
come on.
Ah, look at
He was right
it. His
there.
beard doesn't count? Now he shows up.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 more.
We need 5.
3, you get your money back. $5.50.
Oh, you do?
4 gets you $25, and then 5 and up gets you those. Come on.
3. One's no good.
Mark, you want to teach Sarah about your system?
Okay.
You want to teach her about your system? The goofball systems that you do? He bets like 9 times this, then 9 times that, then like 12 times this.
Oh man, we've had 3 shots at the whatever happens when you get 3 of those.
Get free games.
There's 4.
Do it. Damn it. Yeah, if we get the envelopes, the first and last reel, we win that.
Oh yeah, 105. Oh, okay. Well, we got the envelope.
We got the envelope once in the front.
We got the last envelope.
We just can't do it at the same time.
Oh, 10s are okay.
You want to stay here or you want to do the other half somewhere?
Anything you want. You're our guest. You choose.
Totally up
But
to you.
you got to be able to find an open machine.
Yeah, if you want to go look for something else, it's up to you.
What do we got? We got $63. We got half our money left.
It's up to you.
Yeah, whatever you want. Huh? Don't ask us. Just do whatever you want. Come on. Yeah, if you're not feeling it, then just cash out. We'll find something else. If you want, play it. All right, there we go. We're cashing out 52 bucks. We put 120 in here. So Sarah's gonna find us a good machine. Clark picked a dud. Good job, mule. Good job, you mule. You lost me my money. All right, Sarah has brought us the Lightning Link. This is the game she felt from the beginning until Clark took us to the wrong loser machine.
One more. Oh,
God.
there too.
I know, I hate that shit. We gotta find the programmer for these machines. Come on, Sarah. Don't you want some big cash when you go to Vegas next week?
I do.
Come on.
I'm trying.
That 19,000 looks pretty sweet.
Oh yeah. Even divided by 3 it looks good.
That's good. I'll pay for your gas, room, buffet, whatever you want. Come on one time. Come on, Clark, give us some of your luck box goofness.
I'm watching.
We're watching. Last spin. Alright, press the button. Yay, this is the last spin. Alright, split that quarter 3 ways. Oh, there it goes. That's it. Anyway, good try. That was good. Oh, don't be sorry. Don't worry, I'm down like 500 bucks right now. Another 40 is not gonna hurt. Hey Clark, you want to do 100 this time? You want to try another one? You want to try another one? You sit down. Luck box goof.
$20.
Come on, just do it. Here. Thank you. You want me to put 20 in?
Yeah. All of it.
Alright, we each put another 20 bucks into this machine for 60 total. And this time the goof himself is going to sit behind the wheel and try to hit us that 19,000 right there. Are you doing your system, sir?
Yeah.
How come we haven't hit a bonus yet?
I know.
Hey, that was nice.
That's a good one.
No, don't worry about it. Go ahead.
I can't find mine.
Okay, Sarah, you're gonna have to do this. My system went right down.
You suck today. What are you
Play
doing
this
for?
one too.
Yeah, play both of them,
Yeah,
Sarah. Come on.
we need your luck over here.
Play both at the same time. We won't let anybody else get in this machine. Come on, jeez. There, we got free games here.
Good job.
All right, are you thinking right or left?
I usually go left.
Don't ask us. You tell us.
Yeah.
Go with your gut feeling.
Okay, let's go.
Gambling 101. Go with your gut. Go ahead. Hit the bonus. So what does your gut tell you?
Alright, here we go.
All right, not bad.
100 added.
Okay.
100 added.
Can we get the whole 15 on one page? All right, that's something.
Whatever we get here, we split it. That's it.
Hey, she hit it here too.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
I think she's good luck. You're bad luck today.
I know. Hey, I can't argue that point.
Come on, Corky boy. All right, that was only 10 bucks.
We're done.
All right, let's see if you can do something better here. Are you going right or left?
Let's do left on this.
Left, okay. There we go.
Oh, shit, all right.
I told you. Hey, Clark, get out of here, man.
I know.
This has just been me and her. You jinxed us today.
Oh, look at that. That is a good one.
Come on, get the major. Come on, get that major, girl.
Oh, the minor one by.
Oh. Hey, are we three ways on this one?
That's all.
Is it too late?
Yeah, a little too late.
What?
Sorry.
Come on, hit one more. Come on.
Get that major.
Ah.
Last spin.
Ah. Still got it. That's still
She
good.
got about 25 bucks.
Oh, yeah.
So what do you want to do here?
Cash it out.
All right, hit the cash out button. Take your card too. Go cash out the machines over there.
We end up with $30, $10 each.
Got $7 each. It's 21 bucks. You get 7 each.
$7 each.
Go cash it out over there. Are you done too?
Yeah, I better cash that one out. Or should I keep playing it?
Okay, Sarah and I, we're at Ultimate Fire Link. She just hit 3 games. And we're gonna win big. Very good, $5. Better than nothing. No, you wanna play? Come on. That's my lucky seat I just gave you. I charge 10%. There we go. Save those 4 balls for later. Oh, 3 games. So far we got $18. We got 2 more games left. All right, $20. We'll take it.
Not bad.
Good job, girl.
Thank you.
Okay, Sarah just hit the bonus. She's gonna catch that mega right now for us. We're partners in this thing, 50-50. If you hit that, I'll come to Vegas with you.
All right, let's do it.
There we go.
We got saved.
Come on. that mega. There we go. There we go. Great job. We need one more for $7.50. Hey. We need two more for nothing.
There's nothing up there.
Yeah. No reason to get excited. Come on, Mega, one time, please. Oh, boy. It's okay. What do we get, another 25 bucks? So far, we're doing the best in this machine.
I know, right?
We've gotten like 20 bucks each on like 5 different machines. We've struck out each time. So far, we're doing good on this one.
I'll trade places with you again.
Listen, lady, I can't keep giving you my seat, okay? She kicked me out of that chair, now she's kicking me out of this one. What kind of woman are you? They'll probably say the same thing, I don't know. Good job, we got 29 bucks. You better know. Good luck on that machine. Don't forget, if you hit, 10% is coming this way. All right, Sarah just hit the free games again. Come on, we need that Vegas money.
Yes, we do.
Free games are always nice.
Drop that mega.
There we go. I was like, one more, I forgot we're in like a weekend. Oh, we need a big total. Hey, but we're back to even. Back to our 40. What do you say? What do you want to do?
Whatever you want to do.
You tell me.
You want to go somewhere else?
Anything you want.
Oh, the pressure.
The pressure?
It's your turn to pick. I've been picking.
No, if you
all
want to
night.
play this, we'll keep playing this. It's up to you.
Let's walk around.
Okay. I'm here with Sarah and Fred from Slot Cats. And these are new friends that I met. Who are they again?
Elby and Shane.
Shane?
Yes. Elby is right here.
LB, with beautiful hair. Hey, your hair is beautiful, really. There you go.
And this is Big T Slots from Las
T
Vegas.
Slots. I'm
Big
Life of a
T.
Gambler.
He's known as the mayor of Las Vegas.
Mayor of Las Vegas?
The mayor of Las Vegas.
So I got to talk to you about those stupid resort fees and shit. All right?
I can help you with that.
You can help me with that?
I can try.
Do you have like
I
a
can
business
try.
card I can give to the Bellagio every time I go?
Yeah.
They'll be like, hey, motherfucker,
Just
I
tell
ain't
them
paying
who
this
I
shit.
am. That's it.
You're like, who? The mayor of what?
Right. Exactly.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
You too, brother.
All right.
Would you mind taking him around the corner and introducing them to Wayne?
Yeah.
And get him on
Oh,
the
wait.
camera.
Wayne will be right back. He went to go get a drink with
Any other
Melissa.
side? Or are there any other spot jumps on the other side?
All right, it looks like,
No?
Everybody's
all right,
I guess it's just us.
just tell me what you've been doing here all day.
Well, we've been watching people gamble. We've been eating. We've been gambling.
What time did you come?
I was here at 7 a.m.
And today's a Sunday, right?
Yes, it is.
Are you insane?
Yes. No, with daylight savings time, couldn't sleep, so what the heck, you
Okay,
know?
that's a good excuse. You got an extra hour.
Hey, but it's been a great day.
All right.
It's been a good day.
How'd you do? You want to give us a summary?
Well, up about $1,000.
Up about $1,000.
Yeah.
Can I borrow like 500 bucks?
You know what though? It helps pay off the debt that we've lost from last week. So
There we go.
hey, you want the truth?
That's right. That's right. This channel is all about the truth. There we go.
And here's baby girl.
Hello. How are you? I'm Life of a Gambler, Bobby.
Gamble, nice to meet you.
The first lady of Las Vegas.
First lady of Las Vegas and the mayor of Las Vegas.
Finally,
Hey, do I like bow down to you guys, kiss your hand? What do I do?
Just give us a shout when you're out in Vegas. We'll come hang out.
Okay, good. There we go.
And we got Heidi, the other slot cat.
Of course, the better half of the slot cats.
The much better half.
Much better half. There you go. You're a smart guy. You're not going to be sleeping on the couch for a while. What are you guys drinking over here?
This is a pina colada with a special sauce.
I like how she paused when she said special.
It's special sauce.
Good job,
This is
ladies.
the raspberry swirl.
Special. That sounds good. What are you drinking, Mayor?
Pina colada.
Colada.
Pina colada. All right. You guys getting drunk tonight or what? No?
We've been there.
Hey, Fred, are we doing shots, me and you?
Right now.
Yeah, let's do it. You down? I need someone to drink with. Come on.
I wish I could.
Come on. Take it easy, guys. It was nice meeting you both.
Yeah, man. We'll be right back. We're gonna go try to deliver our drinks.
I'm here with a couple of fans.
Hi, I'm Dave. I'm a friend of the Life of a Gambler.
There we go. Any shout outs to anybody?
I want to shout out to Clark.
There we go. Where are you, Clark? You bozo. I've been looking for you for 30 fucking minutes. There we go. And then.
Hi, Mom from Montana.
Out from Montana.
There you go. Any shout outs to you guys?
Yes,
Anybody?
my sister Tanya and my nephew Mark from Rialto.
There we go. We're all looking for Clark. Where the fuck are you?
When I'm on fleek.
When you're on fleek. Anyways, we're playing Dancing Drones. We put 100 in. We just doubled up to 223. Our favorite cocktail waitress came to say hello.
Hi, everybody.
There he goes. Oh, the guys. Hold on. The guys want to know what your turn-ons are.
A what?
Your turn-ons. What do you like in men?
Secret.
No. What do you like in men? What qualities?
Oh, well, you know already what's the first one on
Tell
the
me.
list. I want to know your credit score.
Yes,
Credit
another
score
one.
first.
Another one. Credits. What's the credit score
Yeah.
minimum?
It has to be like 750 and above.
Okay, you're at 750. Erica's at 800.
Okay. Well, I'm being
What else?
generous.
Okay, what else?
Well, that's one for now.
That's it?
No, I have a lot, but just one for.
You want a guy that's honest, good, hard, funny, anything
Yes,
like that?
yes,
Just
yes.
credit score, that's it?
Credit score and
I don't like handsome guys.
You don't like handsome guys. You like ugly?
Not ugly, but
You like eh?
like okay,
Eh?
but I don't like handsome guys
Why? What's wrong with handsome
because
guys?
it will break your heart.
They'll break your heart?
Yes.
You have a heart to be broken.
Right now, no.
No.
No, I have no heart. Zero
No?
heart.
Okay. Okay, that's enough, guys. All right, me and Mr. Clark, we're here at something called Big Green Stacks. The slot cats told me about this machine. So we have $100 in free play. I think. No, we don't. Mr. Clark, do you want to come in $100 with me?
No way.
Why not?
I've seen the way you play.
My name is not Erica. So how did you do tonight?
Good luck. I lost tonight.
How much did you lose?
I don't even want to tell you.
How much did you lose?
Too much.
Well, you just said state the amount.
I can't say it. It hurts.
Is it between 399 and 401?
Could be.
You say you're gonna go home and get in the fetal position?
I'm just gonna lay out in the middle of the road on the way home. Maybe, probably outbound lanes of the freeway somewhere.
You're gonna lay right in the middle of the road?
See if I can't find a semi truck to run over.
This is what happens when he loses $400. Okay, we got 100 in free play. We're gonna try this machine out. We never played it before, so we hope the slot cats will bring us good luck. It's $4 to spin at max bet. These are the totals right there if we get these money stacks. So wish me some money stacks, Clarky boy.
Yeah, good luck.
You're not jinxing me, are you? Well, that's not money I get back. There's the money stack. That's just the $4 that's coming back from free play. So we're not winning anything, we're just giving our money back. We won something there. That's only 2. We need 9. Or at least 4 for 50 bucks. I want 9 though. I just got 2. I don't even see 3, let alone 9. Is there sound on here? Kill that stupid sound. That's 3, right? Right? Hasn't get shit? Alright, we got $32 left. See, when you play 9, that's a line right there. So I paid $200. I put $5 in. Come on, you fuck. Come on, man. Are you wishing me these damn money stacks or what?
They're doing pretty good, dude.
I
Got the same money out of it you put in.
I got 2 more spins left. That's it. So we won $65. I'll play down to 50 and see what happens.
Oh, there's 1 more 7.
Alright, that's it. We're cashing out. Me and Clarky Boy want to give some shout outs to a bunch of fans that we have met recently. Today we met Lala. She definitely came out in the morning. Sorry I missed you, Lala. But we'll meet up next time. You either come too early or too late. And then I've met Alejandro at least twice. I forgot to put him in the videos. And then I met Teresa again. She wanted to give a shout out to her niece, I believe, Danielle. So, hi little Danielle. And then also I met the other night Juan and Sandra over here playing Wonder 4. Really nice to meet you guys. Sorry I didn't put you in the video that night. Anybody else? Oh, there was Denise too. I met her last week at the kiosks over there by George Lopez. I forgot to say hi to her. Anybody else for you, Clarky Boy? Roberta, we always say hi to.
Stephanie.
And Stephanie and Karen and all that kind of stuff. We hope you're all doing good. Anybody else want to thank the Slot Cats and everybody else that was with us tonight? I don't remember everybody's name. I just met you guys. It was really cool. We had a lot of fun in the group poll.
Ronnie and Tracy.
Ronnie and Tracy as always. This guy is always absent during the group poll. Why?
What?
Why are you always absent during the group poll?
I don't know.
What the hell do you know? I don't know is not an answer.
I know, but that's what I have. I don't know.
That's it? I don't know. That's what got you through life for 75 years?
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyways, thanks for being with us. We'll see you guys next time. All right.